There's not many other courses like this, and it's pretty unique, so it's a pretty cool course to do.
It's like new technology that needs to be brought into the world, and that's what I like about it. So we're improving, making things easier.
Interested in all of the opportunities that could bring, especially interested in how the automation could work.
Automation's in a lot of different industries, from drones to agriculture, horticulture, in a lot of your trades areas. A lot of the processes are automated now, and that's what we want our students to experience.
It feels awesome, you know, like I'm the first generation of autonomous, like I get to understand how all these machineries work and all that, the driverless trucks.
If they're actually interested, then give it a shot.
It's an exciting new course and a great opportunity to get your head above the rest. This course is running at Albany and Collie Campuses. The entry-level skills and experience gained will give you a greater chance at securing a traineeship or apprenticeship.